Nothing's more synonymous with Christmas dinner than ham. Well, that and your aunt's dry, overcooked mac and cheese, which your mom guilt trips you into eating anyway. And listen, a nice holiday ham is fine. But in recent years, I'm beginning to find ham kinda mid. So this year, I'm giving pork belly the holiday ham treatment. Absolute first thing you gotta do, preheat the oven to 250 degrees. Did your president just attempt the world's lamest coup in history? The number you're looking for is 120 degrees Celsius. Okay, to begin, I have here some pork belly and yeah, you might have noticed this isn't a lot. I would have bought more, but my friends were too concerned about eating healthier or not putting on weight. Christmas stooges. Anyway, as far as seasoning goes, we're keeping it simple. Just some salt. Okay, next step. Let's lay out some aluminum foil. Place our pork belly fat cap up. And I'm feeling jolly. Let's add a few more spices. Whole spices. 1 large cinnamon stick. 1 tablespoon of whole cloves. Try to get them as evenly distributed as you can. And about 3 to 4 star anise pods. Alright, wrap this baby up. Since this is not heavy duty aluminum foil, I'm going to double wrap it. But you know, even if it was, I'd still do it. We don't want any leakage. Trust me, I know a thing or two about high fat foods and leakage. Stick our pork belly in the middle of our 250 degree oven. And let them braise for 3.5 hours.
I'm in a store and I'm singing. I'm in a store.
Okay, our pork belly is done braising. Let's unwrap it. Transfer it to a cooling lined baking sheet lined with tin foil. Alright, let's just scrape off any of the spices. The pork belly doesn't really scream holly jolly Christmas. No, instead it screams, you're getting a discount roll of Tums for Christmas from 7-Eleven, kiddo. Well, that's because we haven't put on the glaze. So let's make the glaze. To a bowl, let's add 1 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of brown mustard, and 1/4 cup of root beer. Make sure you use root beer made with real cane sugar. I'm pretty sure high fructose corn syrup doesn't caramelize well. Mix everything together. And just like the women on TLC, this glaze is too thick for my liking. I'm just going to add just a touch more root beer. Alright, let's paint on our glaze. And onto the broiler. With our pork ready to go, turn on your oven's broiler. Stick our pork bellies right underneath the broiler. And let them get a good caramelization. Okay, after about a minute under the broiler, let's flip them. Glaze the other side. Broil it again. Okay, looking good. But we ain't done yet. We're going to give this 1 more coat of glaze. Because without type 2 diabetes, is it really Christmas? Like I said, about a minute. Like a meaty creme brulee. Alright, let's reglaze the other side. And 1 more golden minute. Oh boy, I sure hope golden minute doesn't have a raunchy Urban Dictionary-esque meaning to it. They're a little bit charred, but they're still good. Okay, once the glaze is done sizzling and enough of the smoke clears the kitchen so it doesn't obstruct the view of the camera, you're ready to dig in. And here we are, folks, a nice succulent pork belly ready for Christmas. Thank you, CRJ, for taking me off the naughty list. Oh, you're so very welcome. This has been Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun I'm meaning it this time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you really liked the video, become a subscriber and hit the bell notification icon. I upload every Monday. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and support me on Patreon. And yeah, I'm just going to let you know right now, this new weird angle is going to be the norm from now on. I see the end of the last video to see why.